Hey everyone, welcome to Mike Lil's channel and welcome to our next crypto trading vlog. To vlog number 7. My name is Lily, if this is your first time here, and I'm a full-time crypto day trader. I provide content on YouTube and other social media platforms, pretty much to help people out there understand the basics around the crypto trading space. So we are back. We went off for a week and we are back. Back into the grind and just ready to get the hustle going again. But that is one of the things you need to take into consideration is everyday life, family, work, studies, and just a break. You do need to take that into consideration when you're taking this journey on. So, we already knew that we were going to do this, so I already sort of planned it. And it just means that now that I'm back into the hustle again, I've got to just push it even harder because of that little break. And as I'm showing in this part of the video, there isn't a lot to trade with right now. And it's sort of a good thing for me because I've got so much editing to do. But while I'm editing, I'm going to continuously just look at the charts. While I'm editing, I have also set alerts for Bitcoins, low Bollinger Band price, and I often do that throughout the day just before I go to bed and so forth. I also woke up this morning and quickly looked at the charts from my bed, the Tab Trader app chart, and I went straight to Matic because Matic is the coin that I've been watching. I went straight to Matic and Matic was on a downtrend, so got out of bed and checked the charts. Ideally, by the time that I got on there, it was a little too late to even get into something. But that's the sort of things that you're going to face when you start this journey. You've got to use the little things that you've got in place to help you. And it's just really important, because you don't want to sit in front of the charts all day long. And sometimes you can't. So use the things like the Tab Trader app, the Tab Trader app alerts. Ideally, it is mostly going to be the Tab Trader app unless you're going to be sitting in front of your exchange to do that. But use those things to help you and you should be sweet as. Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you guys. So this is SHIB, and SHIB has just done a massive dump right there. So I've used these resistance levels to help me identify where I'm going to set a buy price. And then if you come here, set it at 830, and you see that 830, it's right there. And that's how I use these resistance levels to help me identify where I'm going to buy. So it's actually starting to spike through resistance 838, and then I'm using that next resistance to pretty much look at a buy price. Things too that you're going to be looking at is look at that RSI that is near the RSI, below the RSI sub 20 line. Beautiful, right? That's what you were calling perfect looking dip. So I ended up cancelling the original buy price and changed it to 825 purely because I could see that happening, and it did. It bought. I've set a sell price now for I've set a sell price there now for 851, which is right there. And that's still really, really low. So once this cycle ends, then, that pretty means I've made a good percentage on that return. So I bought that one for 825 and selling it for a 3% at 851. And that's where you'll see that there. And so that will give, after trading that, so you can see it was for 212 as a sell once I've sold it, 205 and selling it for 2112. Pretty good. I've got another buy price because I'm ladder buying, so I've got another buy price there of 815, and it's down here. I can see, all the indicators that are happening on this particular trade are all going downwards. So it may go there, it may not, but it's okay because I've still got the current trade that I've got in place ready to sell. And, once this cycle ends, then it will just turn. And clearly because, like I showed earlier, that RSI, look at that RSI now. But that MACD is still going down, so this will still downtrend. You know, those 5-minute movement RSIs will always go up and down like it is now. So we're back to day 1 of vlog number 7. We'll go and continue doing some editing. When other things come up and start happening on the exchange, I'll come back and share it. Today I traded, I do believe, maybe 5 or 6 trades with, you know, pretty much increasing my balance from 629 to 653. And you know, today I went out and tidied the garage, cut the grass, did the yard work, did some gardening, cleaned up the house, did some vacuuming and rearranging on stuff. So you know, even though that's happened, it didn't mean that I sat in front of the exchange all day. I set alerts, so while I'm out I set alerts to tell me if the market's going to go down or if it's going to go up. So those alerts will tell me, okay, yep, it's time to go and have a look because something could potentially be happening, so I can go in and trade. So far it's been a great day. Not a lot of dips. There were mainly squeezes, and my buddy coins today were Sol and VET. And why did I choose them? Because the percentages on the buddy coin crawler were really high compared to all the other coins, although I would have ideally wanted to trade Doge. I'll just show you. So on the buddy coin crawler, Sol, so if you see there, it's 7%, and then VET is 5%. Now Doge has gone up. Earlier today those 2 coins were the highest percentages, and that's why I traded them. And everything is squeezing at the moment, as you can see here, and that's why I traded those 2 coins. But a pretty good day, and I'm going to set some alerts because everything's quite high and overbought, and that's normally what will happen in a squeeze trade. So I'm going to set alerts for probably where the SMA is on coins that I'm going to be watching, and for Bitcoin especially. And I'm just going to show you guys something. So when I trade specific coins, so when you're looking at VET like this, like I'm constantly going backwards and forwards to the Bitcoin chart. Okay, so I saw on the Bitcoin chart the MACD started to really open up, and then that started to go up. And normally when that happens, the coin that you're, or the altcoin that you're ideally trading, will follow. Okay, so I saw Bitcoin was doing that, and I already had a trade in, and I wanted, like, literally my sell price was just at that yellow line there. I won't explain what that line is, but it was at that yellow line. And what I did was I pretty much just clicked on BTC, saw on BTC where these where the green candles were hitting, and it was hitting that yellow Bollinger Band. So I went back to my coin and I set my sell price for that yellow Bollinger Band, and it hit. So pretty happy. You know, I just love the buddy coin crawler because it just makes time easier when trying to pick coins. But yeah, that was a pretty good day so far. Just thought I'd check in, catch up, and let you guys know what's happening. So today was a major squeezy day, and you'll see that the market is uptrending. They are a very risky trade because it's always in the overbought section. But you know, I always use the 15-minute chart, see where the 15-minute chart's going. I look at the 1-hour chart. If the 1-hour chart's uptrending, then I will go into those trades, and I'll quickly show you. Okay, so like I'm showing here, it's squeezing. So what I would normally do is I would go to that 15-minute chart. Okay, you want to look at that MACD. Where is the MACD going on that 15-minute? I prefer that MACD heading upwards more because it's quite close to the signal line, and when it's close like that, they can easily cross over any time to go down. So the 15-minute chart is still sort of uptrending, but you know, in this case, like let's just say I caught it at around here, right? Okay, so that time is 12:30. We'll go back to the 5-minute chart, and we'll look at where it was at 12:30. Okay, it would probably have been around here, exactly here. So you see that? You see how at 12:30 this particular candle was going up, and it just kept going up, up and up. If you look at the 15-minute chart, you see that the 15-minute chart was just making its way up. Anyway, if you were looking at the 15-minute chart like I showed earlier, you would have seen that it was going up, and then you take it back to that 5-minute, and where was that 5-minute going? Up. So that's what I would use it for. Again, these are really quick. Squeeze is a trade that you want to quickly, you have to live trade it because it moves fast up and it moves fast down. So you would use those different time frames to help you identify how far you're going to ride this trade for and when to get out. So far it's been a good day, and I'll come back to you guys. If not tonight, we'll definitely catch up before we upload this video. Hey guys, so I've got a sell order that I've got set for 8220 on VET. Let's watch it. So 8200 is the highest it's been so far for VET. I was just trading VET and I just sold it. Buying it around here and then just riding it up. And it will probably go higher, but it's okay. For me, that's a 2%. And I'm happy with that. So earlier today, I had a total of $620. Now we've got $653. Pretty cool. So that's it so far. It's been an awesome day. We'll continue to do it. Good morning, everyone. The date today is Thursday the 24th of June, and again I'm on the exchange. So I got an alert this morning as I turned my Wi-Fi on, and Bitcoin, I got my alerts that Bitcoin had dipped. So I can clearly see it here. I'm going to be, my buddy coins today again are Sol and VET from the buddy coin crawler, which is what I pay for through iCoin Pro. VET is 4.9%, so when it dips, it's the potential amount I could be making, and then Sol is 6.3%. So that's why I've picked those coins. My backups are, however, Doge and Matic and Polkadot. But look at Ripple. Ripple's even got a good percentage as well. But those are my backup coins, which will be Matic and Doge. Honestly, I always find that even though in the morning there's some really good coins that have that percentage, I always tend to end up back with the Doge. And as you can see, Doge is the 4th highest volume coin on the exchange. So VET is dipping. Okay, and I always bring up my trading view chart, always. I don't know, I just feel like I can see it better this way, but obviously I'm going to be trading on Binance. Okay, so that's what I've done today. My balance now is $659, so I've made $30 yesterday, and I was only trading with half that balance. So if I was trading with the whole balance, you know, I would have probably made $60, but I was only trading with half that balance. And I've increased my balance by $30. So today we're starting off at $659 and let's increase that. Hopefully I can take it to $700 or just over. But that is up for us for now. And I will keep you guys updated. Have a good morning. Hey everyone, so just wanting to show you guys, this is a VET trade that I've set and now I'm waiting for it to sell. It's taking its time, but I'll let you guys know just how. It's 12 past 8 in the morning at the moment, so pretty good start to the day. And like I said in the last part of this video, I jumped up because my Bitcoin alerts of Bitcoin dumping went off, and when that happens, it means, you know, at least, like I say, 95% of the other coins on the exchange are going to be doing the same thing. So I jumped on, picked my 2 coins. I will pick 2 that I ideally want to trade, and then I will have 2 backups. So my 2 are Sol and VET because of those percentages. My backups are going to be Matic and Doge. Okay, again, they've got some pretty good percentage on there, but ideally my one is the ones that I've just said. And yeah, Look how slow that's taking though. Oh my goodness, especially with that big bit of a pumping candle. It's moving slowly, but you know, it's going there. I know it is because it's already gone through that purple line, which is my moving average resistance. So it's already gone through there and it's going to be making its way up. Obviously, you see how it's pretty much bouncing through areas as it's going up because there's resistances there. So we've always got to take into consideration resistances. You can't see them. You've got to actually put them on your exchange, on your charts. I don't have them on my Binance charts. I have them on my TradingView charts. And because VET is a coin that I haven't traded in such a long time, I don't have resistance levels. So I've got to go in and that's what I'm going to do today while I'm trading. So I'll set resistance levels for VET. Look how slow this is taking. So I need to sell it at 7296 and almost there, 72 there. So the order just filled. Okay, see? And that is it. Pretty cool, right? So I'll come back to you guys in a minute. Hey everybody, check this out. So I'm not sure if you remember in my last part of the vlog I said I was by the time I finished my day yesterday I wanted to make sure I achieved $700. So check this out. $700. Achieved it. So I've been trading Doge most of yesterday, did a bit of VET and Sol. Everything's overbought right now, but my balance now is $700. Yes, pretty stoked. So like I've said, so this is now from 300, we're now at a $400 balance. And remember, and the first week that I started this I was sick, second week we're away, and all of last week I was vlogging. So this is a pretty good bit of progress, I think. But it is all forward from now. I've got a lot of work to do, but just wanted to show you guys just how doable it is. So if you're on this journey, make sure you're pushing it forward from here. Take little steps at a time. Don't expect massive gains straight away. That is not part of the game. And yeah, it's been awesome to be sharing, and I will probably upload this video now so it's ready to be stored and viewed on Monday. But yeah guys, stay tuned and I'll keep updating you guys on my progress in regards to growing a $300 balance. And I'm pretty stoked at that 700. Pretty stoked. But guys, until the next video, if you are enjoying the vlog, or if you want to be part of this journey, just if you can click on the bell notification so you can get notification of all upcoming videos. And if you haven't already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. We would love it, love the support, and love for you to, you know, just go that extra mile with us. It is Friday here, and everyone that has been following us since the beginning know that Friday afternoon to Saturday nights is our Sabbath. So we're going to log off and just prepare for Sabbath. But guys, I will catch you out again next week. So make sure you're following us and you're a part of our journey. And until then, have an awesome weekend. Take care and stay blessed. Bye everybody.